What are the 7 streams of income? Let's talk about it on Kyle Talks Money. It's been said that the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. That way, if one stream dries up, which does happen from time to time, they have 6 more avenues to draw from. So what are these 7 streams of income everyone is talking about? The first is earned income. That's from working from a job. The second is profit income from selling and buying stuff. The third is interest income from lending out your money. Fourth is dividend income from owning stocks that pay a dividend. Fifth is royalty income from others using your work. Sixth is capital gains when assets increase in value over time, such as cryptos, stocks, real estate. And 7 is, of course, rental income from renting out your property. If you want to become a millionaire, you need to start diversifying your income streams. What are your thoughts? How many streams of income do you have? If you like this video, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I talk about money and everything related to it, so don't miss out. And as always, take care of your money.